and good afternoon to all of you. Thank you IIT Madras, Research Park and ATEX Ventures for bringing together such a fantastic group of individuals. It's impressive to see the ecosystem that IIT Madras has nurtured over the last few decades. Today, I look forward to interacting with some bright tech individuals nurtured by ATEX Ventures and respectable business leaders who have flown in from different parts of the world. Friends, as you have seen in this small video, I started my entrepreneurial journey in the early 1980s, moving from family textile business to manufacturing LPG cylinders. When business conditions changed, with the available capabilities and resources, I switched over to manufacturing auto components. Overall, these years, I have learned that being quick to adapt is the key to success. The powerful quote has always motivated me, जीत और हार आपकी सोच पर निर्भर करती है, मान लो तो हार होगी और ठान लो तो जीत होगी. Technology, innovation and people, TIP, have been the pillars of growth and innovation for JBM Group. Today, JBM Group is the India's largest metal forming company for auto components, fixtures, toolings, and in presence, we are in 37 countries globally. JBM has been rapidly evolving with agility, dynamism, and rigor. Initially, our focus was towards auto components, which transitioned to auto systems and assemblies. That is from product-based to experience and solution-based approach. We are also proud to have established a significant presence in electric buses and EV ecosystem solutions. EV aggregates, renewables, environment management, smart manufacturing, and artificial intelligence-based solutions. Since our inception, we have remained vigilant in harnessing the power of technology to deliver value to our customers and solving business problems. We have consistently been at the forefront of technological adoption. In fact, JBM is known to have brought and introduced various industry-first manufacturing technologies. Our commitment to electrifying the public transportation across the globe is evident from our state-of-the-art electric buses. Powered by advanced battery technologies, highly efficient EV charging, and vehicle technologies. The journey of more than 4 decades has not been smooth sailing, but I believe जीवन में संघर्ष जितना कठोर होगा, सफलता उतनी ऊंची और शानदार होगी. We have transformed our manufacturing with extensive automation, deploying over 3,000 plus robots, and we are driving innovation further by utilizing cutting-edge laser and CMT, which is cold metal transfer welding technologies. We have been significantly deploying SaaS, IoT, AI, and Industry 4.0 solutions towards not only manufacturing of our products, but also offering services to others and improving their efficiencies and reliability. Currently, we are celebrating the 54th National Safety Week across all our locations with the theme Safety and Well-being is crucial for our Viksit Bharat. Under safety, we have been working and adopting Industry 4.0 solutions towards improvement of behavior-based safety and machine control safety. In fact, we also have Isha here today, whose critical contributions to technology adoption, digitization, and AI have been instrumental to the JBM Group's success. talking about tech and startups, what instantly comes to my mind is Israel. Israel has long been a hub of cutting-edge innovation, R&D, and high-tech solutions. Also, Israel is among the most entrepreneurial countries in the world with over 10,000 startups across various domains. Their fail fast, and fail cheap approach sets a benchmark in itself for new startups to prosper in shorter turnaround time and with better value of investments. While some of the tech startups are right now small companies, these are the people who I believe are the leaders of tomorrow. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, with his visionary leadership, the startup ecosystem has been thriving. The nation's leadership has acknowledged the importance of tech startups in nation building. India's rapidly growing industrial ecosystem offers a dynamic platform for large-scale implementation and scalability. The time is right. I am confident that India is at the cusp of its innovation. It has been rightly said, बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो, बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो, मजबूरियों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो. My guiding principle, and I hope to instill in all startups, is to address the pressing challenges of our time, champion sustainability, and contribute to the well-being of our society, fostering prosperity. It also resonates with Vedic philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. When the great social reformer, catalyst of Indian freedom movement and founder of Arya Samaj, Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati ji, established the Arya Samaj 150 years back, he formulated 10 principles. The 9th principle states, प्रत्येक को अपनी ही उन्नति से संतुष्ट नहीं रहना चाहिए, बल्कि सबकी उन्नति में ही अपनी उन्नति समझनी चाहिए. One should not be content with one's own progress alone, but should consider one's own progress in the progress of all. Drawing inspiration from this principle for organizational growth path, we are pursuing a program called Utkarsh in our organization, which means our own growth. And for the growth of the society at large, we are following Sarvotkarsh, that is growth for all. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati ji set a vision, संसार का उपकार करना इस समाज का मुख्य उद्देश्य है. Serving humanity is the prime objective of the society, which reinforces our commitment to a shared future like one earth, one family, and one future. So don't let hindrances deter you. They are designed to make you stronger. The key is to remain focused on your dreams and consistently put in sincere efforts. I would like to conclude my talk with few lines again in Hindi. अभी तो परिंदों की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो जिंदगी का असली इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो नापी नहीं सारी धरती भी हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है दोस्तों. I am excited for the rest of the day today. I want to be inspired by each and every one of you. Looking forward to the exciting conversations today. Thank you very much. Namaste.